Okay, here's your Kenmore Elite dryer, and plastic broke, so I super glued it. You don't actually need this plastic part, it's just cosmetic because inside we have the glass. But anyway, this one wasn't heating, and so first thing you want to do is clean out all the lint, and you'll see right here, this is your thermal cutoff fuse right there. And if you have a kink lint vent at all, this will go out. And so in order to access that, you'll have to take that panel off, that front panel off. There's a little disclaimer. And also I like to isolate this one. So you pull the terminals off to check it with an ohm meter. Just set your meter on if you have the tone for continuity, or you can set it on ohms. The thing about having an audible tone is that you don't have to look at the meter to see if you have continuity. So basically you want to run this across those two and see if you can get your meter to react. If you don't, then okay, so this one's got good continuity there. So it's going to be one of those. It's going to be either the heating element, which are the main two wires here. You want to check for continuity on the heating element. I always like to isolate these. Of course, you want to unplug anything before you stick your hands in there. And I like to isolate these and then check them with a meter for continuity. So this one got a good heating element there. Got a good thermostat there. And good thermal cutoff in there. So it's possible that this thing was just clogged up with lint and not heating well enough. There was quite a bit of lint. I would say that I'd had almost a quarter of that full of lint here on the inner panel. It was like a quarter full. I cleaned it out. Almost like a quarter of it was blocked. So anyway, that's your dryer tip for today. And if you'd like to know more about it, send for my How to Make Money in Appliance Repair Business course, which includes over 100 video links and personal coaching for 1 year for only $49.95. And send that to Bill's Enterprises, P.O. Box 7021, Eureka, California 95502. Thank you.